Oh.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Bishop Monse, 45 years old, married, and 5 children. I am an undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Material Technology, and I taught also at caregiver course. My husband working as a construction worker here in the Philippines. I am hardworking, patient, kind, and honest person. My working experience is I work in Hong Kong almost 1 year, and also I work in Philippines almost 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, car washing, gardening, and also I love taking good care of children, giving them and preparing them food and vitamins on time, bathing them every day, tutoring them, playing with them. Also, I will to learn to speak Cantonese and cook Chinese food. Madam and Sir, please hire me as your household worker. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities very well. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I chose Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my family. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.